Growing up, I thought my dream and my talent was to write novels by the sea. However, as I moved closer and closer to that goal, I realized that my actual talent was to help other writers make their work shine. And that is what I've been doing for the last 16 years. I've worked on more than 160 manuscript projects for authors and book coaches and publishers from around the world. Many who have sent referrals and multiple projects my way, for which I'm awfully grateful. The biggest issue I see in my line of work isn't the lack of talent. Rather, it's that authors are too close to their work to see what it really needs. My job is to step into that space and to help your manuscript become exactly what the author has intended all along. I occasionally teach the fundamentals to new authors who want to understand the process better. But my core calling is really to collaborate with authors one-on-one and to help them take their books more seriously and push it over the finish line. If you're ready to collaborate and take your book seriously, drop me a DM and let's get you a free sample edit to see if we're a good fit.